The Dufuna program has been so beneficial to me because I was able to learn a tech skill, which is a highly sought after skill.
I had mentors who are always willing to help, and a community of individuals I was learning with who are actually very free-spirited and ready to help.
Dufuna, they upgrade their materials. They try as much as possible to follow the latest trend. They expose you to other new features that will equip you once you land to that your first job role. Like, you will do excellently well.
The Dufuna gives you a 1 year period for you to finish going through the materials that they provide to you. And I feel this was important and essential, helpful to me as somebody who was in full-time employment.
Programming was a whole new thing for me. So I was a whole total novice. Getting to learn all these things was really a challenge for me. Yeah, I was persistent, and that really helped me.
One of the things I really love about Dufuna is that you get a mail when you don't do a lesson for a week. It's just like a frequent reminder. Okay, yeah, you said you're going to do this on this learning platform, but for some time now you've not gone through it. What's the issue and all of that? So if there's no issue, okay, how about you just going through? So to me, that was really, really, really awesome. Like getting the constant reminder to finish the program.
The beauty of Dufuna is that they prepare materials that is very, very simplified for you and give you external resources that you can read at your leisure time to get acquainted with that course.
80% of what I learned in Dufuna is applicable to what I do on a daily and regular basis at work.
As a result of the training that I underwent whilst on Dufuna, I've been able to land a role where I'll be supporting developers to consume the APIs that have been developed by my new employers. This wouldn't have been possible if it wasn't for the training that I received whilst I was enrolled on the Dufuna program.
Like the current job opportunity I have right now, I'm working with Ray platform, building client websites. I was very, very excited because most of the skills I got from Dufuna training helped me as a full stack developer.
Right now, as a result of the program, I'm able to work for a company based in Croatia, a tech company based in Croatia, and I work remotely from the comfort of my home, which is so amazing.
I think I've worked in 4 places. I'm in my 4th place. 2 of those places that I've worked, I got them from Dufuna.
6 weeks into learning at Dufuna, I got my first internship with Babenta, which is a UK fintech organization where I was an intern, a software engineering intern.
Dufuna is interested in you succeeding in this career. So for me, that is top notch.
So even after the Dufuna program, there's still support for job opportunities and support for improving yourself. So I just think if you want to get into tech, take Dufuna. Take Dufuna and try it out. You would not regret it.